video, I'm going to show you how to manage your orders, as well as we're going to dive a little bit into the revenue page. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click new orders. So we have 7 new orders. These are the orders over here. See, these are different dates that they're created, and these are the items. So we're going to click new just to filter out just these amount of items. And as you can see, you have, these are our different actions. So you have it's new, processing, shipped, delivered, if there's an issue with it or if it's canceled. We can view order details. So ship by date 12/25 to 2:59 a.m. We can see the product name, the SKU, the quantity, the order number. Go to customer details. We could see all the information that we need to over here. Go to financial information. We could say customer paid $21, buyer paid shipping 0, the fee from marketplace. So eBay's fee is going to be $3.07. So our profit margin currently right now is $17.93, but we didn't put in our cost of our product yet or our shipping fees. So it's actually going to be a little bit less. Then we have fulfillment, which is our tracking number over here, and we have our status history over here. Order received from eBay complete. Item marked shipped on eBay with the tracking number. That happened in 9/34. And then we just changed this to new just for the demonstration. So these actually have already shipped out. Now, you have, let's close the sidebar. Now you have, as you can see, you have actions, product image, title, the SKU, storage location, customer paid, and you have different status symbols as well as created. If we want to change this, let's redo this whole design over here. We just go like we did in the other video, go to settings. Let's remove, let's say, all the information. You could just really drag and drop this, but let's go to all fields and let's set it up. So I actually want to have the image first. Then let's go to item title. Let's do SKU with the location, customer paid with the amount we receive. And I want to know the quantity and the eBay fee. I don't need to know. Estimated delivery, shipping service. I don't need to know any of that. What else do I want to add in over here? Buyer's username, order ID. I don't need to know. We could do status. So let's save. It's a little bit basically very similar. So customer paid status, but this is out of order. So let's make it in a little bit of a better order. Let's change this a little bit. So let's go to columns. You go to selected. And now we can move around. It's a drag and drop what we would like. So I actually want to move the title before the image. The SKU, then the storage location. I want to move quantity up a bit. Let's move quantity to before the SKU. And actually, let's put the title back. So we have the image, then our title. Our quantity is going to show our SKU with our location. The customer paid with what we receive. And let's hit save. So now, perfect. This for me is a little bit cleaner. We have our quantity with our SKU and our storage location. So when we print out our pick lists, everything's going to be very, very clean. So let's say we want to do actions. So we select all. We can update all the statuses to whatever we would like. If these are new processing, let's say if these were canceled, or we can go and we can click generate pick list. So let's do that now. So you could print this pick list. So the total 7 orders, 7 items. Pick date is 12/22/25. You see we have our pick list generated at 1:07 p.m. Total orders is 7. And let's scroll down to the bottom where we have picker signature, the date, and the time. So now you can verify, okay, if you have a few people working for you and you have an operation going on, you just simply verify, okay, perfect. These were shipped out by A, B, C, and D. We could sign this, make sure that everything stays clean, and we know if there's an issue, we know what the problems are, we know who did it. If there's someone that someone's claiming that this wasn't packed right, you have something to follow back instead of just a bit of a little bit of chaos. So let's close this. Let's go back to order management. So that's how order management works. I'm actually going to change all these. Like I said, these I just moved just for this video. So that's how that works.